A question I get asked a lot is how to control condensation and how to prevent it from building up on your windows. We've had a lot of dry weather lately. It hasn't been very cold, so we haven't had a lot of condensation buildup, but it's good to prepare when that cold snap first hits is when you're gonna notice it more. So the first thing you wanna do prior to the temperatures dropping, which is gonna start probably next week or something like that, is turn down the humidity in the house. So if you have a humidifier attached to the furnace, turn that down. If you have humidifiers running in your room, turn that down as much as you can. And then when you're cooking and you're showering and doing all that stuff, you want to run the vent fans for at least an hour after you're cooking, after your shower, to just really vent out all that humidity as much as you can. At the end of the day, it's up to people to really control the humidity, and then it's up to the windows to prevent the condensation. So if we're keeping ourselves in check and we're controlling the moisture that we're producing, then you're going to have less condensation, even with a poorer quality window. Once you go up to the higher quality, like a triple pane Ecoline window, you get away with a lot more. You can have the humidity a little bit higher. You're still not going to get the ice buildup. When you have cheap, crappy windows like this, even a little bit of humidity, as soon as it gets cold, you're going to get that ice buildup. So you got to be mindful of it and keep ahead of it. If you do have older windows, if you have newer windows, you still want to manage your humidity, but just not as much.